Imagine earning thousands while you sleep just by tweaking your content strategy. Miss out, and you're leaving serious money on the table. Today, you'll learn the secret sauce behind affiliate content that actually converts. Understanding your audience isn't just about knowing their ages or where they come from. It's about digging deep into what makes them tick. Imagine you're a detective, and your case is to uncover the greatest desires and pressing challenges of your audience. Why? Because in the realm of affiliate marketing, the golden rule isn't just content is king, it's relevant content is emperor. Every click, every share, and every purchase stems from a connection. This connection is forged when your audience sees their reflection in your content, their questions answered, and their needs met. Say you're promoting fitness equipment. It's not just about stating the features. It's about painting a picture of how this equipment fits into the daily life of someone striving for health, overcoming barriers, and seeking motivation. But how do you get there? It starts with listening. Social media, forums, and comment sections are gold mines of insight. They're where your audience voices their excitement, frustration, and curiosity. The next step is tailoring your content. If you're aware that a significant portion of your audience struggles with finding time for exercise, focus on solutions that your affiliate products can offer for quick, effective workouts. Now, picture two pieces of content in front of you. One talks about the generic benefits of a product, while the other addresses your specific concern, offering a solution that seems tailor-made for you. Which one are you more likely to engage with? The answer is pretty clear, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Here's a question to ponder. Have you ever thought about what specific needs or challenges your audience faces that you could address with your affiliate content? Optimizing content for SEO and user experience might sound like a complex puzzle, but it's essentially about making your content attractive to both search engines and real people. It's like preparing a meal that not only looks good on Instagram, but tastes amazing too. The first step is sprinkling the right keywords throughout your content. Imagine keywords as the secret spices that make search engines fall in love with your dish. But it's not just about adding them. It's about choosing ones that your audience is actually searching for. Now, think about the last time you visited a website and left because it was too hard to find what you needed. Frustrating, right? That's where the beauty of a well-organized site layout comes into play. Designing your site so it's easy to navigate is like arranging the furniture in your house. You want your guests to move through smoothly without bumping into unnecessary clutter. What about mobile users? With more people browsing on their phones than ever before, your content has to look good on a tiny screen. It's like making sure your Instagram post still looks good when viewed on a phone. It's crucial. Finally, creating engaging and informative content is at the heart of it all. This goes beyond just what the content is about. It's also how you present it. Short paragraphs, compelling headers, and interactive elements like images or videos can turn a boring text block into an engaging experience. By focusing on these aspects, you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're crafting an experience that visitors love, turning them from casual browsers into loyal fans. And here's the kicker: by making your content more accessible and enjoyable, you're not just getting visitors to your site. You're getting the right visitors, people genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one aspect of your website or content you think could be improved for better SEO and user experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.